Hello students, I am Bharati Shinde working as a lecturer in Praveen Patil Polytechnic College. In this video, we will see how to draw auxiliary front view for the given front view and top view. So here it is given that angle plate 10 mm thick having 60-degree angle and a circular hole of 30 mm diameter on this inclined surface. Use first angle projection method and draw its auxiliary front view. So for this we will take length as 80 and angle as 60 degree. So draw a line having length 80 and measure 60 degree from this point. Take same length as 80 on this line. Now thickness is given as 10. So for this draw a perpendicular line from this point and measure 10 distance on this line. Now take parallel line to this line from this new point. Now from here again thickness as 10 and now draw parallel line to this line from this point. But here this arc is given which is of having radius 5. So for this measure 0.5 on rounder, 0.5 distance on rounder and draw arc from these points on both lines. Now draw arc from these 2 points which intersect at this point, and from this point we can draw that portion. Now we will rub this unwanted portion. So our front view is like this. Now here 30 mm diameter hole is given on this line. So take its distance from this point as 40. So take 25 from this point. So measure 25 distance and draw a center line. Now 30 mm diameter hole is given, so 15 on this side and 15 on this side. So in this way we have completed front view. Now we will draw top view. Take projections of front view. Take distance as 2 centimeter between front view and top view. Now draw the top view. As height of top view is 50 given, so measure 50. Now draw a center line of top view which is at 2.5. Now here this portion we have to draw, but we will draw it later. First of all, we will draw auxiliary front view. For drawing an auxiliary front view, draw projections of front view. Draw parallel line to this line, and which is line x1 y1. Now again take projections of front view of this line which is here, and now draw auxiliary front view. This height we will draw as 50 as we have drawn in top view. So measure 50 on this line. Which is 50, and now complete rectangle of auxiliary front view. Now here this portion we will show by hidden portion or dotted. Now draw the center line from front view. So take projection of center line from front view. And center line of this as 25. Draw its projections. Now we have got the center point. Now 30 mm diameter hole is given, so measure 15 distance, which is already here. As we will join these center lines. So measure 15 distance in rounder and draw the circle. Now we have drawn circle. This portion hidden in auxiliary view, so that's why we have drawn it by dotted. Now we will divide this circle into 8 equal parts. So measure 45-degree angle from center point. And draw the line. Give names to these points as point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now take its projection in front view. Already endpoints projections we have taken. Now take projection of point 1 and 3 and projection of point 5 and 7. So here we got all these projections as 6 dash, here 7 dash, 5 dash, then 8 dash, 4 dash, then 1 dash, 3 dash and here 2 dash. Now we have got projections in front view. Now we will draw its projections in top view. First draw lines on this outer line. Draw projections from the points which are on outer line. Now we will get vertical projections from front view, but for horizontal projection we have to draw here a circle of 30 mm diameter. So take this point as center and draw a circle of 30 mm diameter. And now divide this circle into 4 equal parts as it is a semicircle. As this semicircle is nothing but this semicircle, so we will give its name as this point 8, then 7, 6, 5, 4. That is 7, 1, 6, 2, which is a center line, then 3, 5, and then point 4. So we will see where this 8 dash and 8 point meet. So 8 dash, 8 dash and 4 dash. Which is this point. Then 7 dash and here 7 dash 5 dash, which is this point. Then 6 2 and here 6 2 point. That is from point 2 dash. Then for 7 1, so take point from one line, so 7 and one line is this line, which is this point. Then 6 2 we have drawn, then 3 5, so see here 3 dash line and 5 dash line. So this is 3 and 5 dash and 3 dash is this line. And now last point is 4 and see 4 dash point. So these points we have got. Now join these points. With the help of a French curve. So in this way we have completed this portion, which is the projection from this topmost line. Now we will draw similar from this bottom line. Now take projections from bottom portions, which is this point, then this point, then this point, then this point and this point. So 5 points are there. So take projections from these points. Now this is 2 dash, so see here 2 point, or start from point 8, so point 8 its horizontal line, and see here point 8, which is this point. Now 7 1, so see here 7 and 1, then 6 2, so see here 6 and 2, then 3 5, so see the line on this point on this line, so 3 5, so 5 and 3, which is this point, and last point 4. Which is this point. Now we will join all these points. Now we will join all these points. So this is the ellipse on this line projections. Now we will join this by dotted portion. Here also dotted portion. So in this way we have completed front view, top view and auxiliary front view. So this is auxiliary front view, this is front view and top view. We can give names here as front view, as top view, and here auxiliary front